Hi, Tony B, USA, Connecticut. It's right near New York. My biggest aha moment yesterday was the 4 pillars, and a lot of people probably talk about that, but the way that it came to me this time was amazing. We had health, wealth, we had relationships, and we have purpose. This experience for this Manifest Miracles, for the first time in my life, I organized that somehow from the universe, and I scripted, during the scripting process, my story. The next day, so that was on Friday, and then on Saturday, the scripting was a download to me. Woof. And all the ideas of what I'm gonna take from this event and put them on YouTube. I'm already writing an ebook, and I'm starting my Manifesting Miracle program. And guess what? You want the best part? I'm bringing my wife into this, and she's gonna be behind the camera cooking in our kitchen for the YouTube channel. Can you believe that? Thank you. Thank you for this whole experience. The first time I met Master, it was on YouTube, and there was a video. It was called Open. The first time I met Master, it was on video, and it was the Open meditation. And from that point, I knew that he had the power of the universe that I could get through him and bring it into me. And yesterday it hit me so hard. The flood of all my emotions and all my feelings of where I was in my life and how that came. My heart was so heavy, so warm, and so full at the same exact time that it just flooded out of me in all kinds of emotions. So I want to say that after yesterday, I didn't go to my hotel. Well, I did, and I put on my bathing suit and I went to the beach. It was 2 a.m. and I put my feet in the water and grounded and connected with the oneness. Somehow, the power of this is amazing. And I'm gonna bring that to the world. I'm gonna help through me. I'm gonna take that message and I'm gonna carry it to the universe. And I'm gonna help other people with the story through health, wealth, relationships. It's gonna bring it back together, and I'm gonna have a purpose now. When I came here, I was lost. I had things. I've built businesses, but now I could carry this message with a purpose that's way beyond the Tony B, taken for Tony B. And I really feel like I could give back more than I ever imagined I would be able to give back.